Starting a business is exciting. But the moment someone mentions bookkeeping, most founders either panic, ignore it completely, or throw it all at a spreadsheet and hope for the best. And that's exactly how startups run into cash flow problems, tax nightmares, and financial chaos down the road. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 bookkeeping software tools for startups, so you know exactly what to use from day one. I've done the research, compared the features, and I'll tell you up front, there is one clear winner. Let's get into it. Number 5, Wave Accounting. Wave is a free bookkeeping tool, and for that reason alone it attracts a lot of new founders. You get income and expense tracking, basic invoicing, and receipt scanning at zero cost. If you are a solo freelancer or a brand new startup with almost no transactions, Wave can work as a starting point. But here's the problem. Wave is very limited. The reporting is basic, the inventory features are basically non-existent, and as soon as your business starts growing, you'll outgrow it fast. It's free, but you often get what you pay for. Number 4, FreshBooks. FreshBooks is a solid tool, especially if you're a service-based startup. Think consultants, agencies, coaches, or freelancers. The invoicing is beautiful, time tracking is built in, and the client management features are genuinely useful. Where FreshBooks falls short for startups is on the accounting depth. It's not a full double entry accounting system by default. The inventory management is very basic, and if you have a product-based business or plan to scale, you'll hit its ceiling pretty quickly. Great for services, limited for everything else. Number 3, QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks is probably the most well-known accounting software in the world, and for good reason. It's powerful. It handles payroll, it connects with hundreds of apps, and your accountant almost certainly knows how to use it. For startups, though, QuickBooks can feel overwhelming. The interface is cluttered. The pricing adds up quickly once you need more features, and customer support has a reputation for being frustrating. It's a capable tool, but it's built more for established businesses than lean, fast-moving startups. Number 2, Zoho Books. Zoho Books is seriously underrated. It gives you solid double entry accounting, inventory management, project tracking, invoicing, and automation, all at a very competitive price. If you're already using other Zoho tools like Zoho CRM or Zoho Projects, the integration is seamless. The reason it lands at number 2 and not number 1 is that the interface takes some getting used to. The ecosystem outside of Zoho can feel limited. And for global startups, the integrations with third-party tools just don't match the leader. But for the price, Zoho Books is exceptional value. And the number 1 bookkeeping software for startups in 2025, Xero. Xero wins this list, and it's not even close. Here's why. Xero was built for small businesses and startups from the ground up. It gives you real, proper double entry accounting, the kind that keeps your books clean, your accountant happy, and your finances audit ready from day one. But it goes way beyond basic bookkeeping. With Xero, you get bank feeds that connect directly to your business account and automatically import and categorize transactions. You get invoicing, purchase orders, expense tracking, payroll, inventory management, multi-currency support, and over 1,000 app integrations, including Shopify, Stripe, PayPal, Square, HubSpot, and more. The dashboard is clean and intuitive. You can see your cash flow, outstanding invoices, bills due, and bank balances all in one place, at a glance, from any device. For startups specifically, Xero is perfect because it grows with you. Whether you're a solo founder sending your first invoice or a team of 20 managing complex inventory and payroll, Xero handles it all without you needing to switch platforms. And right now, there is an exclusive deal you do not want to miss. You can get 90% off Xero for your first 6 months. The discount is automatic. No coupon code needed. Just go to acombuilderinsider.com's Go Xero and the deal will already be applied when you sign up. You also get a free trial, so there is genuinely zero risk to try it. For a startup watching every dollar, getting a world-class bookkeeping and accounting platform for almost nothing for the first 6 months is a no-brainer. So to quickly recap, at number 5, Wave, free but very limited. Number 4, FreshBooks, great for service businesses but limited depth. Number 3, QuickBooks, powerful but complex and pricey. Number 2, Zoho Books. Excellent value and underrated. And the clear number 1 winner for startups, Xero. Clean, powerful, scalable, and right now almost free for 6 months. The link is in the description. Ecom Builder and Center. Conv Go Xero, 90% off. Auto. Applied. Free trial included. Go set your startup up the right way from day one. If this video helped you, please drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more founders like you. Subscribe if you want more startup tools, tips, and deals every week. And leave a comment below telling me what bookkeeping software you're currently using. I read every single one. See you in the next video.